Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through creating a QQ account on mobile. I will be honest with you, signing up for QQ outside of China in 2026 is extremely difficult due to security blocks, but it is possible if you follow the right steps. Let's jump right into it. First, you need to ignore the old advice about QQ International. That app is discontinued. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for QQ, and download the app with the classic penguin icon. It might have a Chinese name like Tencent QQ. Even if the App Store listing is in Chinese, the app itself usually auto-detects your system language and switches to English automatically. Virtual numbers like Google Voice generally do not work here. You need a real SIM card. Open the app and tap the Sign Up button, or the Chinese text Yang Hu Ju Che on the right side if it's in Chinese. Select your country code from the list. Enter your mobile number and tap the blue button to proceed. If you immediately get a service busy or high-risk error, do not panic. This is the most common issue. First, timing is key. Try to sign up when it is nighttime in China, between 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. Beijing time. The servers are less strict during off-peak hours. Second, switch networks. If you are on Wi-Fi, turn it off and use mobile data, 4G or 5G. QQ trusts cellular data more than home IP addresses. Force close the app and try again. Most users will hit a screen showing a QR code. There is no glitch to bypass this in 2026. You need an existing QQ user with an account older than 6 months to scan this code for you. This is a security feature. You will likely need to ask a friend who plays games like PUBG Mobile or Honor of Kings to scan it. Warning, be extremely careful if you try to pay someone online to do this, as many are scams. If the mobile app completely blocks you, try the desktop site. Go to zc.qq.com on a computer browser. Select English in the top corner. Sometimes the website has different security checks than the app, though you will still likely need a phone verification. And that's the reality of signing up for QQ. It may take several attempts, so patience is key. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.